Building a cat scratching post. Make cat scratching furniture. Make scratching posts for cats with this list of materials and step-by-step directions. Scratching posts can be a good way for your cat to fulfill their need to scratch, while saving your carpet and furniture. This pet accessory is easy to make even by someone who is not very handy and who has no previous experience with woodworking. Now let's learn how to build cat scratching posts. What you will need: wood cat post. You want this to be about as high as your cat is tall, about 30 and around 5 in diameter. This is not an exact science. If you get a post that is 4 in diameter, for example, you will be just fine. Sisal rope. This is a very durable natural fiber that will last much longer than the carpet you see on some scratching posts for cats. Plywood. You will need one piece of plywood, 16 by 16, that is 3 thick. 2 1 nails. These will be used to secure the rope to the post. Braid nails will make for a more professional look for the cat scratch post. 4 1 nails. These are so you can attach the base to your post. Steps to follow for making cat scratching posts. Start by nailing one end of the sisal rope to one end of your post. Wrap the post with the sisal, making sure it is tight and that there are no spaces between each row. You can tap it down with your hammer to ensure that it is tight. When you reach the top of the post, nail the sisal rope down. Now you are ready to attach the base. Find the center of the base by drawing diagonal lines from each corner of the base with pencil, making an X. Repeat this X on both sides of the base. At this point you are ready to attach the base. Put the base on top of the post and hammer 4 nails into it. This might be a good time to have someone give you a hand to hold it in place while you nail. Your cat scratching post is complete. To get your cat to use this new scratching post, you can do a few different things. Catnip. If you rub some catnip into it, your cat will be interested right away. Demonstrate. You might even want to rub your cat's paws on the scratching post, so it will know what to do, although the rope is very appealing for them to scratch. Positive reinforcement. If your cat is in the habit of hearing you holler at it when it begins to scratch items in your home, it's a good idea to give your cat some praise when he uses the post. Even giving him a treat is a good idea. Cat scratch posts sometimes seem foreign to cats, so you need to reward their positive behavior when your cat attempts to show interest. Other modification. Try covering the base of the scratching post with rug before connecting the post. This will make it a more attractive scratching post in your home. You can make a top to the scratching post the same way as you made the bottom. This will give your cat a place to climb to and sit. Required tools: hammer, pencil. Caution: be sure that the post is sturdy and stable. If your cat knocks it over, they might fear using it. Quick tips: follow these basic steps, but feel free to make your own alteration to have the scratching post be the size and style to fit your home.